Are you struggling to document workflows, train your team, or automate tedious process guides? Say hello to Scribe AI, a game-changing tool that transforms how you create step-by-step documentation in seconds. Whether you're a business owner, team leader, or freelancer, this Scribe AI review will show you why this app is a must-have for productivity. Scribe AI is an intelligent automation tool that captures your screen as you work and instantly generates detailed, visual guides. Just perform a task, like onboarding a new employee or setting up software, and Scribe AI records every click, scroll, and keystroke, turning it into a polished tutorial. No more manual screenshots or lengthy write-ups. Here's what makes Scribe AI stand out. The first one is one-click documentation. Hit record, complete your process, and Scribe AI drafts a guide with text and screenshots. The next one is AI-powered editing. Automatically adds titles, descriptions, and even redacts sensitive info. The next one is team collaboration. Share guides via links, PDFs, or embed them in training docs. The last one is mobile and desktop support. Works across browsers, apps, and devices with pro plans. Now let me show you exactly how to use it, step by step, so you can create professional guides in seconds. First, install the Scribe Chrome extension or desktop app. It's quick and easy. Just download, follow the setup instructions, and you're ready to go. Next, click Record and start performing your task. Whether it's processing an invoice, onboarding a new employee, or completing any routine process, Scribe AI works in the background, capturing every step automatically. Once you're done, simply stop recording, and Scribe AI will instantly generate a step-by-step guide, complete with screenshots and instructions. No need for manual documentation. It's all done for you. Now it's time to fine-tune your guide. Edit the steps, add notes, highlight important actions, or customize it to fit your needs. Once everything looks good, you can export and share it to platforms like Notion, Slack, or your preferred tool for seamless collaboration. Now let's break down the pros and cons of using Scribe AI, so you can decide if it's the right tool for you. First, let's talk about the pros. Scribe AI saves you valuable time by automatically capturing your workflow and turning it into step-by-step guides. No more tedious documentation. It's also super intuitive, so you don't need any design or technical skills to use it. Whether you're an individual or part of a team, Scribe AI is perfect for remote collaboration, helping businesses standardize their processes efficiently. Of course, no tool is perfect. The free plan has limited export options, which means you might need to upgrade if you want full flexibility. Additionally, some advanced features, like desktop screen capture, are only available on the Pro plan. If you're looking for more robust capabilities, you may need to invest in the paid version. And that's it. Scribe AI makes documentation effortless, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your team. Ready to give it a try? Download Scribe AI today and streamline your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more productivity tips.